I'm Polly Bass, and I travel throughout the country helping schools manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I'm never sure what I should say to a student when they rejoin my class after having been removed for disruptive behavior. Suggestions? Absolutely. I got one suggestion, and one solid suggestion. Don't say anything. See, when you have a child removed for behavior because you can't teach around it or while it's going on and it's not correcting itself with your management in the moment, you're asking someone to temporarily take the problem off your hands. So therefore, you trust that other person, other place, wherever it is, to take care of it for you, and you keep on teaching. When that child comes back through the threshold of the door, your only job is to say, oh, Polly, over there, join that group over there so you don't fall behind. Oh, here's an extra thing while you were out. That's fine. But I'm not going to say, welcome back. Are you feeling better? I know that sounds sarcastic and you wouldn't do that, but you get the gist of what I'm saying. The best suggestion is you don't have to say a thing. You don't have to say what's going to happen. Did they get a punishment? You just keep on teaching, because the beauty of that is that someone took them off your hands temporarily. So that should have made things better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.